Hey guys, want to scan a QR code on your iPhone? No need for extra apps. It's built right into your phone. Let me show you two quick ways in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Method 1. Using the camera app. First, open your camera app. Now point it at the QR code. In seconds, a pop-up notification appears. Just tap it and you're done. Step 2. Using Control Center's QR scanner. Want the faster way? Use the built-in QR scanner in the control center. Swipe down from top right corner or up from the bottom if you have the home button. Tap the QR scanner and scan instantly. Not working? Make sure the QR scanning is enabled. Go to Settings, Camera, and turn on the Scan QR codes. And that's it. Now you can scan QR codes anytime, anywhere. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. See you next time and thank you for watching.